just finished the first two subparts. For this video, we will discuss the space and the indent, and also to see how we can delete the style. Or we can see how we can clear the style from the Word documents paragraph. So first, let's create our file for 753. This we will put is the spacing and the indent. Let's make that. So spacing, well, we already see during the last video within the Word that in some settings in the paragraph part in the ribbon, home ribbon. So in the space is we'll have our two, the property under paragraph format object is one is a space before, another is a space after. That's the same as what we saw in the Word setting. So let's do some demo for this. So let's starting to initialize our documents, and we should load this shared. So doc dot shared import pt. So we see that later the pt. So you need to make this pt. pt is the unit of length. So it's like this pound. It's as short as the pound. So docs shared import this unit, and then let's instance our documents and doc save. This now is 753.docx. It should not have the enter. So let's make this here again. So when you finish the initialization, to ensure you can run this without problem, then go to next. So paragraph is doc dot add our paragraph. So let's call this paragraph, and then we put this. This is one line of words, and after this we will use this built-in the format style. So paragraph dot paragraph underscore format. So this object, then we have the property is space before. So we put this pt. Let's make that bigger, so then you can see here. So let's make the after even bigger. Let's make that 40 and add another document add. We will add another one. So this is the second line. So first let's comment this and run this. You should get two paragraphs. So let's see here, you get these two lines. And if I make this and comment, so on the first paragraph, I should have some space before. So you can see here is quite a large space. And if now, let's see here, run. You can see from line 1 to line 2, or we should say paragraph 1 to paragraph 2. Here is another 40 space, 40 pound space. So that is this space, paragraph space, and also we have this line space. So this is paragraph format. We also have this the line indent and the line format. So spacing. So this is the line space. So let's put here. So let's make this 1, 1, 1, and we put this paragraph 2. Paragraph 2. So we have this paragraph 2. Dot paragraph format line spacing equal to PT 50, even bigger. So let's make our paragraph 3 is doc add paragraph. This is third line of words. So we let's keep this both 5, 50 to see what's the difference. So you can see here, this is the paragraph space. This is the line space. So they have some difference. And also we can have a paragraph. Let's indent second. So paragraph format first line indent equal to PT. We gave 20. Let's run. Now you can see here this line. Before this line is we have 20 the indent. And also you have this line spacing. Line spacing is not like this. So we can have this PT, or we can have. So let's comment this. We can have this as the 2. Then that will have 2 lines. Let's run. So you can see that's the 2 lines spacing, not the 50, not this fixed value. So, but you can adjust this, use the times of this line space, or use this fixed one. So normally we can run with very big. So you can see this is a 6 times line spacing. So those are the spacing and indent. And let's go to the delete or the remove spacing, remove style. So let's have 5, 4, remove style. So what we will do is let's use the initial document and doc equal to document and doc.save is the 754 docx. So let's say get our initial file here. What we will do is we use the style.delete, but if you want to load this method, you need to make some this P2. P2 is your paragraph. Then you use this style delete to do that. So let's see the demo. So paragraph 1 is doc add paragraph. So our list paragraph with the style. Actually, it's here is the style equal to list. You can ignore this style, so that's the same. List second line. List 2. So we have these 2. So let's have a look. What is our the level 1, level 2. So we have that correctly, and we print type p2 dot style. So let's have this one. So p2 dot style. You can see here is the style paragraph style. So when we have this type, then this we can get also the number p2 dot style dot name. So it's the list 2. What we can do now is the p2 dot style dot delete, and after that is we should get a normal. So let's see. So here correct. Then from here is the list 2 is normal. You can verify this from here. So this 7524. So this one, you don't see the style here, but if you choose here, the second one is normal is highlighted. So which means our style is really cleared from this document paragraph. Okay, thank you for your watching until now. So we have 2 videos to finish this styles the discussion about the paragraph. Next one is we will talk about some interesting part is the run object. So this run is we will see how that will looks like. It's kind of the further detail within the paragraph. It's very interesting. So see you then. Bye for now.